This is huge, so it got to the point where it's a big storm. You're going to have a lot of wind for a long period of time, and didn't really feel like it would be safe being in the house. So yesterday my wife and I made the decision that we need to go to a shelter.
El huracán realmente es bastante peligroso, por lo cual me decidí a venirme para acá. Mi casa no la siento segura, es una casa grande, pero es una casa vieja.
The reality, it may be that this is going to be days, weeks, perhaps months, depending on the severity of the impact of that storm. It is a storm that is bigger, stronger, and more dangerous than Hurricane Andrew. That basically sets a stage as to what to expect ahead of time.